Come test drive the 2014 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, trip computer, compass, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.